Hey y'all, welcome back to the Roadhouse. Happy Saturday. What we're going to do today, I got about a 7-pound pork butt. We're going to have a little fun with it. We're going to fire up a Traeger. I hadn't done one on the Traeger yet. Dying to know how that comes out. If it comes out as good as a brisket and stuff, it's going to be jam up good, y'all. Anyway, show you what we're working with. I'm going to use 2 rubs today. I will be using the SuckleBusters Honey BBQ Rub, and I will be using Kosmos Q, the Honey Chipotle Killer B. Both of these are really good stuff. Last video did a taste test between that and Uncle Steve's Sweet and Spicer, man. Excellent rubs, man. It's like a Thai flavor town. But I'll show you what we're doing today. Y'all look over here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna inject this pork butt, okay, with, now I already mixed some up here. We're going to inject it with the SuckleBusters Honey BBQ Rub, and then we're going to hit the outside with the Kosmos Q, the Honey Chipotle Killer B. So, and I am using my big needle today, y'all, my new stainless. I'm using the needle that's closed on the ends. It's got holes in it, and what that does, when you inject it into the meat, it actually just sprays it, you know, all on the inside. So let me hit this a couple times with some of this good old SuckleBusters injection. And we got the Traeger coming up to temp. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Talk to me, sweet lips. Oh yeah. Down in the middle. How you like that? And I'm going to put one more in the middle. I'm really digging this injection needle, y'all. I'm glad I got this thing. And I found that on Amazon. And it was like 20 bucks, man. Stainless steel. Y'all haven't seen it, look back a couple of videos. And I did a little review, impromptu review on it. Oh man, this stuff's going to be good. Golly. Can't wait to get this bad boy on the pit and let it start going. Alright, so we got that part dead. Come on, Killer B. This pork butt's getting double team with goodness today. Inside and out, y'all. We're going to get this sucker rolling. And look at the color on this, man. I mean, there's so many good rubs out there, y'all. So many good rubs. Gets them down in that money muscle. Right there. Look at that, boy. Alright, gang. Let me finish getting this other side seasoned up. And I'll get back with y'all. I'll meet y'all at the Traeger. Alright, y'all. Traeger's up to temp. Let's open her up and set this bad boy on there. We're going to let it go probably for about a couple of hours or whatever. Might come check in about an hour, but smoke movement was about 180, a little over 200. Pour this juice on there, let this thing get happy. So we will check back here in just a little bit. Alright, we're about an hour in, hour and 10 minutes, something like that. Smoke temp is 204. My probe's hooked up. Let's see. Probe 1 showing 100 degrees. Probe 2 showing 85 degrees. I got it stuck all the way in the middle, so let's take a peek and see what we got. Oh boy, that's looking nice, y'all. Look at the color on that thing. Ain't that pretty? Alright, we'll let it smoke probably another hour, and then we're going to jack the heat up on this thing and get our temp up to about 150 or so, and then we'll wrap it and finish cooking it off. So patience, we'll be back. Alright gang, y'all, welcome back, man. Time to put on our Kanaka sausage. That's good stuff, y'all. I didn't forget about it. Last time I just didn't cook, and I was actually out of it, so we're gonna put our Kanaka sausage right there. We're gonna let it get happy. Alright Alright gang, we're a couple hours in on smoking this thing. Oh yeah. She looking good, boy. Smelling good too. Got our connector sausage like that. Getting happy. Alright. Shut this dude down. Let's crank this sucker up till heck, let's go 375 for a little while. And give it about 30 minutes and we'll check back. Alright gang, we're about 155. We're gonna pull this and wrap it and put it back on, so we'll be back in just a minute. Alright gang, we wrapped up, close her down. Check our temps. We're set on 350. Actually knocked it down a little bit. I had it on 375 for a little bit, about 30 minutes. Trying to get it going. We're back on 350. Let's check our probe temps right quick. On 30. That's probe 1. Probe 2. And I just put one on each side of the roach on. 125. Alright, so we're within about 5 degrees or so. Alright y'all, let's see how we're looking here. It has gotten dark on us here. Alright, still set on 350. Probe 1. 200, hey now. Probe 2. 183. Alright, we'll let it go just a little bit more. Alright gang, I think we're done. It's been about a 5-6 hour cook. Let's see what probe 1 says. 212. Probe 2. And 206. Alright. Put this bad boy in shutdown mode here. Let's pull this bad boy off of here. It smells good, I'll tell you that. Pull her off. I'll meet y'all on that side after this thing rests about 30 minutes. Alright, y'all, been resting about 30 minutes. Let's see what we got here. Tell you what, it smells good. Yes, indeed. I'll check that out. Oh, nice, huh? Oh, that boy's still smoking hot. Whew, good gracious. Let's get our big fork here and see. Oh, yeah. I'd say that's done. Oh, there. Well, I mean, it's still smoking. Probably rust a little bit more. See your bone. Oh, good gracious. The whole thing just pulled out. Y'all seen that? Look at that. And the Traeger did a fair job on the smoke ring, too. Let's set that bone off to the side. Oh, look at that. A little money there. Y'all check that out. Come on now. Yeah, baby, look at that. I mean, still smoking, y'all. I want that set a little bit longer. I can't help. Look at some of that money right there. Man, y'all look at that. Nice, huh? That color. Color's nice. Yeah, I know the animals want some. Oh, heck yeah, man. Let's see what we got, y'all. It's late, man. It's 9:30, y'all. This thing took a while. Let's do that a little bit. Look at that nice little smoke ring there. Mm-hmm. Now come over here, boy. Get the straight moonshine. Cheers, y'all. Oh wow, y'all. It's sweet up front, heat in the back, inside and out. Dang, that's good. I like that. That is freaking fantastic, man. The SuckleBusters, the Honey BBQ Rub on the inside, and then the Kosmos Q Honey Chipotle Killer B on the outside. That's good stuff, y'all. That's a win-win in my book. Oh. Alright. Let me get some of this junk shredded up. I'll get y'all a few pics. We're going to call it a night. Connecting sausage come out very good as usual. That's freaking looking good, y'all. Anyway, hey, y'all have a great weekend. We'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.